How to change sensitivity in Roblox Mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change or increase sensitivity in Roblox Mobile. So let's get started. First, you have to open Roblox on your device. Alright, after you open Roblox, from there you can change manual sensitivity for Roblox app. For that, you'll have to just join any game where the camera movement is important, like a shooter or a big game. So simply you have to just search for any shooting game, and after you find any shooting game, from there tap on the option Roblox logo at the top left corner to open game menu, and from that way tap on settings, and from the settings section you can easily find camera sensitivity slider, and from that way you can manually change or increase the camera sensitivity from Roblox game. So you have to just open any game, like I will show with the game like Zombie Uprising. Or let tap on play at the bottom. As usual, from here I have said that tap on the Roblox icon at the top left. From here tap on settings, and from here you can manually find any options like sensitivity. From here, like here is the options like camera mode and movement mode set by developers. So in such games you can easily find the options like sensitivity, and from that option you can manually increase or change the sensitivity settings of a game on Roblox. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to keep a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.